Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys doing great. Today I'm gonna be showing you top 5 React packages for front-end development. So let's get started with one of the biggest icons library for React and Vue developers, Heroicons. It's built by the makers of Tailwind CSS. I personally believe this is one of the best React icons libraries out there. Heroicons provide 3 types of icons: outline, solid, and mini. And there is too many ways to use these icons. The first one is actually to install the npm package using npm install Heroicons React, or you can directly copy the SVG or the JSX code, which I think it's the best practice. For example, try to copy the JSX code of this row, and I'll go ahead in my component folder in icons. I'll create a row icon tsx rcfe to create the component, and here I'll pass the JSX code. All I need to do now is just to import the icon here, and yeah, we're good to go. Next, React Hot Toast. I think this is one of the coolest React packages, and it's for notifications. It is very simple and easy with good animations and also a lot of examples. As you can see, we have success, error, promise, emojis, and a lot of other types. All you need to do is to install the package and you can directly use the Toast component in your project. So let's see a quick example. Try to install the package quickly. So what I did here is I created 2 buttons. The first one is for the success notification and the second one is for the error notification. All we need to do now is to import the toaster component, and in each function we need to fire a toast.success, and you can put any message here, for example correct, and the exact same thing here, but in this case we need error toaster here. Let's give it a message sorry. So as you can see, the toasters are here, correct and sorry, with the cool animations and emojis also. Next, we have Framer Motion, which is one of the biggest animation React libraries, and there is infinite amount of animations that you can build using this library. Let's see some examples. First, we need to install the package. So for example, we'll try to add a fade-in animation to the h1 tag on this page. All we need to do is to import motion. You need to add motion here .h1 tag. We need to define 2 states. First one is initial and the second one is animate. And for the fade in, for example, we'll give it opacity 0 as initial, and the position will be 10 pixels vertically. For the animate, the opacity should return to 1 and also the object should return to 0 vertically. And as you can see, we have a small cool fade in animation. Next, we have rough notation, which is one of the coolest React libraries for small and crazy little animations for your web page. I personally used it on my portfolio. You can head over to omarcode.me and you can see the rough notation components are loading here. There is this marker notation and also this border notation. Install the React library, and as you can see, we have different type of notations that you can use directly. Last but not least, AOS, which is one of the best on-scroll animations libraries. I highly recommend this library if you want to add on-scroll animations to your website or web application easily in no time. Let's see how we can use it. So first of all, let's install AOS libraries using npm install AOS. In order to use the iOS libraries correctly, we need to import iOS to init the iOS scroll trigger and also the CSS styling. So let's copy these lines here. So in order to get rid of this error message, document is not defined, all we need to do is to wrap the iOS init function in a use effect. So what I did here is I created some containers with a simple text and different colors so we can see the on-scroll animation. All we need to do now is just add the attribute of iOS library, make the animations works correct. So let's add here data iOS fade up for the text one, and also the exact same for the other texts. And yeah, these are my top favorite React packages for front-end development. Let me know what you think, guys, and also feel free to suggest any other packages for me in the section. Hope you guys like it, and see you in the next video. Salam.